The ANKA-3 MIUS, which stands for National Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle System in Turkish, is a low-observable flying-wing unmanned combat air vehicle. The aircraft is roughly the size of a light fighter and is designed as a survivable, relatively long endurance, strike, surveillance, and electronic warfare platform. ANKA-3, with its jet engine and speed, high payload capacity, and tailless structure that is almost invisible on the radar, will open a new page in the field of UAVs. Suppression and destruction of enemy air defenses are also said to be key intended roles for the ANKA-3. It's thought that ANKA-3 is envisioned to work in conjunction with Turkey's manned TFX stealthy fighter for certain mission applications. ANKA-3, which follows an increasingly diverse and advanced stable of Turkish drones, including the now famous Bayraktar TB2 family, features external hardpoints for munitions and fuel, as well as internal weapons bays. A single turbofan engine powers it. The big takeaway here is that Turkey is working on fielding a stealthy flying wing UCAV that puts more of a premium on low observability than high performance.